The atmosphere here today at Decoded is very buzzy. It's a very vibrant audience.
I think there are a bunch of really interesting young new brands that are here, and those brands are the future.
I think it's great. I think it's super engaging. It's not too overwhelming, so it's easier to get in front of brands.
Very lively, very conscious consumer conversations.
Stylus is the industry leader in providing insights into what's happening across the industries we work with.
The biggest value that I saw with Decoded Future was that it got me thinking differently about things.
Well, I think the importance of an event like Decoded, which is our flagship event, is it gives our members and our non-members an opportunity to network, to glean ideas off each other.
The sessions have been really inspiring. I definitely have lots of ideas fizzing away in my mind.
We've been really enjoying this year's event. The quality of content is incredible.
It's hard to pinpoint one or two things because all of the sessions have been great.
I thought Stylus put a lot of detail into the little things that made my experience as a first-time attendee at Decoded Future so great. It blew my expectations out of the water.
I was excited to learn from people who have new ideas about how they want to change the world.
Decoded Future was an amazing event.
I would definitely come to Decoded Future again.